Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Porter Cable PCC670B, high-performance drivetrain of cordless reciprocating saw delivers 1-inch stroke length and 0 to 3000 SPM for aggressive cutting speed. 14.5 inch in length. Compact design allows tool to reach tight spaces. Tool-free blade release allows for quick and easy blade changes. Variable speed trigger provides more control for cutting a variety of materials. Ryobi P514, non-slip handling with Ryobi's rubber grip, letting you keep hold of this tool in poor conditions. Anti-vibration handle absorbs shock from the tool's powerful motor, giving you improved handling for precision cuts. Tool-less blade changing, a lever-actuated blade changing mechanism built into the tool lets you quickly swap out blades without using any extra tools. Black+Decker BDCR20C R20V Max * variable speed cordless reciprocating saw is versatile, lightweight, and easy to use. It features a powerful 3000 SPM motor with a variable speed trigger and electric brake to enhance control. Tool-free blade changes and an adjustable pivoting shoe add convenience and ease of use. Milwaukee M12 2420-20, only 11 and 2.2 pounds for cutting in tight spaces. Battery fuel gauge displays remaining runtime and built-in LED light illuminates work surface. Accepts both hacksaw and Sawzall style blades. Variable speed trigger for increased user control. Keyless QUIKLOK blade clamp allows for quick and easy blade changes. 12-volt lithium-ion battery offers longer runtime and fade. Dewalt DCS380P1, for position blade clamp of the cordless reciprocating saw allows for flush cutting and increased positional versatility with tool-free blade changes. 1 1/8 inch stroke length delivers a fast cutting speed. Variable speed trigger with 0 to 3000 SPM provides blade control for precision cuts. Pivoting adjustable shoe extends blade life and allows depth of cut control.